Do you ever feel scared or threatened po whenever you speak out about injustices na nakikita niyo po sa ating bansa?
Tao din po ako. Marunong din ako matakot. In fact, today, pumunta ako rito without the security. I came here traveling, riding a bus, leaving Baguio at 12:50 and arriving at 4:10. Sila lang sumalubong sa akin. Kaya nga, minsan nakikriticize ako, Benji, you need to have your security. If not us, then who? If not now, then when? Sino pa magsasalita? Walang nagsasalita. Kaya binubuhay ko ngayon, kailangan na po natin magsalita. Ilang kaso na hinawakan ko na maski na career ko at stake, I will always tell the truth. Maski na may threat ako, lahat, I will always tell the truth. Saving the life, saving the future of some kids. Now you accuse me of betrayal. You accuse me na traitor ako. You accuse me to be a communist. Nakakalungkot na someone who is authentically practicing, implementing good governance, tapos i-accuse nyo bigla ng komunista.